how to do your verification of Buza app. In case you don't know what Buza app is or what it entails, please go to my channel, check my videos, and watch how to sign up. Buza app is one of the app that pays you for creating content. It doesn't have a criteria or a particular minimum you must get to before they start paying. No, once you can start paying you as a newbie with even 5 people following you. They can start paying you provided your videos are getting engagement. That is it. And each 1,000 views is $1. Each 1,000 views is $1. So imagine posting video there and you are getting up to 3,000, 4,000 views. And you can, the funny thing is that you can withdraw your money once you are verified. Even the least $2 can be withdrawn. So I'm going to teach you how you can do the verification in this particular Buza app. Then also they are now doing upgrade. Like no, not like they are doing, they have upgraded their app. So due to the upgrade, there are new things that comes out, which I wrote them down here. I'm going to be telling you one after the other. Number one, I will teach you how to get more engagement in this video. I'll teach you how to get more engagement in the Buza app. Number two, they have added story to their app unlike before. Then also I'm going to teach you how to grow fast, how to source out your videos. Some person said that Booster app entails only sports, that you post only sports and that is all, and then they are not good at sport. I have set 2 accounts. One is my own, the other one I use my husband's phone. So since he's a businessman, he don't have time to press his phone or do other thing. He only have small phone for answering calls. So I have to use his big Android phone to create an account for him. And I'm the one posting there. Assuming he's around, I would have gotten it and show you or keep the screenshots here, but I forgot. So I'm going to teach you how to sort, and the verification is totally free. Free, unlike every other. Let's dive in. So this is how to verify your KYC. They say verify your identity with KYC, unlock your wallet and start investing with confidence. Click on the red arrow as you can see and it takes you to the next place where you are going to put the captcha. So here you are going to input your captcha, okay? Please look very well. They are mixed up with either capital and small letters. Please do not make the mistake. Look very well to get the right captcha validation. So when you are done, you click on send. It's going to bring image like this. It says, thanks for joining us. We do love to send you exclusive offer and new updates. So you are going to go down and click on this arrow down here. After clicking, you are going to see we will require few more things from you to complete verification. Government regulation requires us to know more about you. Click continue. As you can see, and it takes you to where you are going to fill your details. Please enter legal name, put your full name, please, your full name, the way it is in your documentations, your document, your ID or whatever, your full name. Do not put half. If you have 3 or 4 names, please put them here. This is where it is required, okay? And also do not forget to put your date of birth exactly the way it is in your documentation. This place you are going to put your house address. Put your house address, your city, your country, then your state, your province. That state is the normal state where you are from. Then this one says zip code. That zip code, if you don't know how to get zip code, go to Google browser, your Chrome browser, and search the name or type the zip code for, you mention the particular place where you reside and you are going to see the zip code. If you are, for example, if you are in Lagos, maybe Ikeja, you are going to type the Ikeja zip code and you are going to see it. Do not make mistake of putting wrong address, please. So this is it. Now what you have to, when you are done, click next. It's just very easy to identify. So select the type of document you wish to scan. Government regulations require us to know more about you. ID card, passport, driving license, depending on the one you have. So I'm going to be using my ID card. Okay, that is one I have. For those that don't know what is ID card, your normal Nigerian NIN. Let me go and get it. Use your normal NIN to scan it. So I'm going to pause the video so I can scan using my NIN, okay? So in the process of making this video, I have scanned the front and I was asked to scan the back side of the ID. So I was scanning the back side. It took time before, like the thing did not even scan. They were telling me so. What I did was I turned the front and I scanned the front again, and then they took it. But don't do that thing. I made the mistake, and that kept me to 4 to 5 days before my verification can be accepted, because they keep sending me to go and rescan the back side that I submitted both fronts. So please do not make the mistake of scanning the two front side together if the back side refuse to scan. Just keep it in one place and scan it very well. Now it's time to scan my face. Capture your face, center your face in the frame and on the, so what I want you to pay attention is the right up. As I'm scanning, I'm reading what is there. They say please tilt your head left. That is only when the other line will show green. You see it, action complete. Please blink your eyes. So as you are trying to capture, don't forget to look down there and see what is written. Please tint your head up. So this is how I did it, and at the end of the day I was verified. Sorry, at the end of the day the scan went successfully, sorry. But most important thing, do not forget to read what is on the screen and understand it. If not, it will take you days. You are still trying to capture yourself. Always read what is in the screen. Please tint your head, action complete. Please smile. Are you seeing it? So you are going to do it. That is how the whole green will go round the circle one after the other. At this point, my space finished. So I'm done scanning, and this is the message they gave me. All recommend data is submitted. So this was the message they gave me because I don't have space again to keep recording. I have to screenshot every other thing that they gave me. Okay. So KYC under review, it takes 2 to 3 days to accept your KYC. And you can see my $10 waiting for me to withdraw once the KYC is approved. So remember I told you people I'm going to tell, this is the, if you want to post, this is where you are going to post. They have stories has been added. I want to, like I said, I'm going to teach you how to upgrade, sorry, how to post. These are the features that they added after the upgrade. So you can post, and a lot of people are not only like this screenshot on my screen are people that I see that are not into sports. For those of you thinking that it's all about sports, it's not all about sports. You can post your lifestyle. I was actually scrolling through to see if I can see those people that are not doing sports. So I will inform you or show you. But network wasn't on my favor. So this particular app page, you can see they say no internet connection on my screen. So, and in my own page, my what they call it, my so my KYC is still under review, and it was extended to 4 to 5 days because I made the mistake of submitting the front instead of the back side because it delays. So this was the reason why I say you should not use your front if the camera is delaying. So I did it thinking it's going to be a quick access. Do you get? Now you can see I have only 18 followers with only one post because my husband own, I was the one posting it on his behalf, and I'm cashing out from that side. So this one is just for training because God knows I don't have time. I have a lot of things on my table that I'm doing. Another way for you to earn here is through post and not reels. You earn through post and not reels. Okay. Another way you can earn money in this place is, let me just take you to my dashboard. You are going to see that for you to earn money, click on this is my own earning, my $10, like I told you people. So when you click on earn, when you click on, once the KYC is approved, I will withdraw my money. Then when you click on earn, you are going to see that when you spend 60 seconds, you are getting 0.5 points. When you spend 5 minutes, you are getting 10 points, and refer a friend, you are getting 1 point per registration. So this is a different way of earning. If you don't want to earn through posting, you can earn through all this place by logging in daily. Make sure you spend your time here. You can earn money through this place. If you have watched this video to this extent, do not forget to subscribe to this channel, like my video, and comment any other meaningful thing you want me to teach you in the comment section. I still remain your humble friend, Queen Scholar. See you guys in my next video. Bye.